Hey all, Ethan here, and this is real bad. Wait, what's that rustling in that bush over there? Hey, you kid. There is absolutely no phones at camp. You're gonna have to leave that phone or else you're gonna get kicked out. So my school went to a nature camp, and when we first got there, we were all like, Hong Kong. Well, this is it, guys. This is our final adventure. So basically, this next part's pretty boring. We just kind of brought stuff in. Pretty easy. But then this other part of the story is even more boring. I mean, like, I don't even want to talk about it. It's just the guy talking about the rules, just going on and on and on, and me trying not to fall asleep, really hungry, because I only ate breakfast and it's lunchtime. But the names were kind of odd. So we were kind of like, oh yeah, that movie was really cool. Yeah, that was a great movie. I get something. Hello, everyone. My name is Rainbow Sparkle Twig. You got that? Yeah, I'm going to be your tour guide today. So, yeah, welcome to camp. Excuse me, I have a question. What the heck is that name? Yeah, so basically, we had no idea. And you could also choose two, camp things. So I chose to build a dome and to also make slingshots. So, this would be really fun, you'd think. Oh man, Ethan, that's so cool, you would think. But none of my friends joined. So now I just have to sit here with other kids. So yeah, nature camp was fun.